judges, my friends. My name is Hemendra Singh Tawar. I am from Rajasthan. Currently, I am pursuing Flair Mania Bartending Academy, Pune. My cocktail name is Kesaria Desert, inspired by my place and golden sand of Rajasthan, where every sunset turns the sky in Kesaria. That always inspired me because Kesaria color means courage, happiness, and soulness. Let's start. Inside my cocktail. इससे आइए मैं 50 ml lime juice balancing cocktail. $10 jaggery, julep ginger, $45 ml vodka infused saffron, 10 ml ginger syrup, pouring. Garnish with saffron. And garnish with ginger beer.
Very nice.